A few months ago, I was exactly where many of you are right now, living in darkness. Relentless deadlines, work pressure that broke my confidence, constant misunderstandings staring at my home, and a racing mind filled with anxiety and burnout that never gave me peace. I believed I just had to push through, but pushing through was destroying me. Until I attended Krishna Suresh's free webinar, Human Edge in the AI Era. The emotional intelligence system he taught gave me the exact tools I needed. How to instantly read my stress triggers, build unbreakable resilience, create emotional balance, and lead powerfully both at work and at home. Today I am transformed, calm under fire, fully present with my family, resilient and thriving in the AI era.
If you're ready for the same transformation, register for this free webinar right now. The link is below in the comments.